What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Coti, which has pumped up 41% in the last 24 hours, going from about 0.027 cents to right now just under 4 cents. So we'll be looking at, is it a buy, is it a sell, or is it simply a hold situation, and essentially looking at its prediction for the rest of November, December and early 2026. Again, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom we have the RSI, which is at 38 and 57, which is again a huge difference between these two here. And the 57 here is pretty low. I was predicting it to head up near about 70, which it should do over the coming hours. And at the top here we've got the Bollinger Band, and we can clearly see the crypto is literally just above the red line here, meaning it is slightly overvalued, which does make sense because it's gained an insane amount of value. Again, 40% is not that much. However, when you compare it to just 24 hours, it is a huge increase in value in a short amount of time. Hence why the crypto is more on the overvalued side, and a price correction is likely to take place. Not right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially getting closer up to 0.045 cents in value over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down. So something along the lines of something like this is what I'm predicting, potentially getting closer to 5 cents in value, dropping down over the weekend back to under 4 cents, and then gaining back up going into next week. So a wave in value is what I'm predicting from Coti at the moment. Especially most cryptos are on average right now. With Bitcoin did hit $100,000 earlier this morning. Right now it is 103. Most cryptos are on the green side, slowly increasing in value. However, that is only for the last 24 hours. If we compare it for the week, majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the red side, as we did see a major, not a major drop, but a bit of a dip earlier on this week, and right now they are slowly starting to recover. So if we get rid of this, zooming into the hourly chart, we can see it is slowly starting to stabilize around the price range of 4 cents. We did see a pump here earlier this afternoon, and right now it is averaging out around the 4 cents value, which I'm predicting it to keep going over the next few hours before it slowly starts to drop down at a slow pace over the weekend, and potentially heading back up going into next week. If we bring out the MACD indicator here, we can see the MACD line is looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, that is a little bit biased because it is based literally on the last couple of hours, which has been very bullish. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, we are looking bullish, and the daily chart again is looking quite steep, heading towards a positive direction. Since the drop that took place, or the crash that took place on the 10th of October on the stock market and the crypto market, it hasn't recovered a single bit. It did try to here, however since then it has been dropping and dropping. It did hit the lower of 0.025 cents, and right now it's slowly starting to recover. So essentially it should be able to head back to where it was before the crash, which was between 5 cents and 0.055. so somewhere around this range here is where it should be towards the end of November, heading over 5 cents and potentially getting close to 7 cents heading into late December, early January. But again, it is crypto. Anything that Trump, Elon Musk, anything that these guys say will have a major impact on the crypto market. That is why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on what to expect and what to predict from the crypto market. So make sure you stay subscribed for the latest updates. And if we do head into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume is up over 400% in the last 24 hours, currently at $44 million, and there's no doubt that the trading volume will increase higher over the coming hours. So on a side note, if you guys want to learn about how to, do charts, do the technical analysis, all of that stuff, I do have a trading guide which you guys can use or access using the link in the description box down below. It's a full-on guide, A to Z. I've spent days making this, so make sure you check it out. There is a 50% discount code if you guys want to buy it. But yeah, back to Coti, guys. So 3 cents right now. I've seen a lot of people commenting saying the dollar mark is coming soon by the end of 2025, which I highly disagree with. For it to hit the dollar mark, it will require a crazy amount of percentage increase, which is not sustainable, and even if it does, which is very unlikely, it will literally crash back down. But my end of year prediction for Coti, it should be able to get very close to 7 cents in value, is what I would say. 0.075 cents, somewhere around that price range. Let me know your realistic price prediction for Coti, guys. How high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? Let me know. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.